Hey boys, it's your brother Top Quality Gamer, bringing quality content as usual. Today, Thomas is coming over. We're gonna have a fun vlog. It's gonna be a great time. But first, we have to do a few things before Thomas arrives. All right, guys. This is what the tall tripod looks with the stand. It looks pretty nice. All right, fam squad. We're joined by Thomas.
Hi.
He's visiting. Got Minecraft.
Oh wait, download.
Updater, but we're gonna get it. It's right there.
It's right.
Wait, so can you just share accounts?
I don't know.
John.
What?
We got Minecraft.
It says Minecraft. I hope it works though. If it doesn't,
Goku. Quack, quack, quack. It's every day, bro.
it's every day, bro.
It's over 9,000!
Run the distance. Yeah.
That's good enough. Oh my god, guys. Let's see. Create new world. Let's see. Penis joke.
Okay.
I'm just kidding. Done. Create new world. Hardcore. Let's see how fast I can die.
Okay. Dun 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 dun.
Dun-dun-dun-dun.
Oh my
Holy
gosh.
crap.
These graphics.
Oh my god, frame rate a little. Oh, I know how to move. A little annoying.
Frame rate looks a little boggy.
Yeah. 33, 45, 51, 47,
Huh.
61,
Wait, you have decent. Wait, guys, will be back.
Oh,
Wait,
kill the pigs!
guys, look at the frames we have. Can you show them the frames?
Okay, so looking around, we just have 160, but
Over
if we look at the
100.
sky, we get like 300. Jesus.
Yeah. All right. Well, Thomas is still alive, surprisingly.
Oh, shut up. What is
He's
this
gonna
thing?
get that purple thing. In case Thomas dies here, I'm recording.
Wait. I'm not gonna die. See? I have plenty of health.
Come on, son, kill him!
Ah!
Kill him! No, you dumb butt! Yes, yes, kill him! Oh, baby, that's a triple. Yes. Bye-bye, Thomas.
Whoa, I'm fine.
It's you.
Ah!
Oh, jeez,
The
son.
dodge though, my aim is on point.
Obviously.
I'm aiming like I've got spunk in my eyes.
Get him!
Out of ammo, no! Oh, I got him.
No!
Oh, okay, guys, Joseph is making excuses. He's quote unquote stuck.
I can't find the blue access key.
Look harder.
Shut up.
Make me.
I'm not talking to the door.
Oh.
Are you recording?
Yeah. Okay, hey guys. We decided to play a horror game. This is the Joy of Creation story mode. We've failed a few times, more than a few times, 3 times actually. Yeah, this game is. Joseph, give us your opinion on it.
Too spooky 5 me.
Too spooky 5 me.
That's
I
my
get it.
expert review.
I get it. This, for those of you wondering, this game is free. If you want it, Google it. It's a Five Nights at Freddy's fan game, but this one's is actually pretty damn good.
Better than the original.
Way better than the original. I promise you.
All right, fam squad, we are at arcade. We're gonna do.
No, they have an Apple Watch.
Hi. Say hi to YouTube.
No, they have an Apple Watch for 5,200.
No.
Yeah, these would.
No, look, 5,200 for an Apple Watch. No, these are
Thomas is playing Flappy Bird Clone.
I am the one, the way your son.
This is what you call no life.
And there's 80,000 tickets.
What did you win?
Huh?
What did you win?
I won 1,000 tickets.
Really?
No. But I won 1,000 tickets.
Guys, I don't know how Thomas did it. But he got it again. What the heck? Okay, we're playing at Big Buck HD.
Get ready. Shoot. Bugs.
I will remember. Kill him! Got him! Oh my god, they kill you already?
What?
That's gay.
Playing Fruit Ninja.
That was awesome. Pineapples. More pineapples.
I got 36 points.
Shut up. Sean, ride like this.
Alright guys, we're playing skee ball. Easy.
I lost. I am Spider-Man.
What is that, Thomas?
Spider-Man.
We're the last people here.
Oh, the
Spider-Man.
Guys, let's do.
Oh, I broke it. I broke Spider-Man.
Let's do it.
Dang it.
Do what?
This is. We're like one of the last people.
Yeah.
Joseph.
Swipe. Alright, ready?
Okay,
shot.
Okay.
Shot it again.
Throw it up. Throw it up. Throw it up.
Yo, what up, fam squad? It's your boy, the Top Quality Game, bringing quality content as usual. So now it's 3 in the morning. I know I don't look like I'm sleepy, but I played video games. So yeah, we're getting a new dog. We literally just planned on getting it today. Very strange. But we saw my other dog. So guys, we just arrived in Orlando. It was like a 6-hour drive. I literally just woke up. Right now we're in the back of Publix, so my family can go pee-pee. I don't need to pee. Yes, I don't. Just Puppies is a cool store. I'll show you some puppies, but then I'm gonna hang with them. Alright, squad, we're at a store called Just Puppies. What it looks like in the inside, I'll show you some. Oh, they're scratching. I don't know, these. Oh wow, they're soft. I like this dog. It's chill. It's probably my favorite dog too. This is the dog I want to get one day. Okay. It's adorable. Here, hold that. This is my friend over here. He's the Doge. He's the Doge. He's the Doge. That's so adorable. I'm gonna die. That's Goku.
Goku.
Hello.
I bet he reminds me of me.
These guys are asleep.
Hey guys, we just got this new puppy. It's pretty cute. As you guys can see. And we got it in Orlando at Just Puppies. Just be quiet.
Is that it?
I don't know. I mean, we just got it, so yeah.
What type of breed?
A Maltese. I don't know.
How much did it cost?
1.6.
What was the price?
I don't know.
Okay guys, it's a few hours later. I want to show you how active our dog is. He's pretty active. He kind of scares me. You'll see. He's been like being very vicious for the past few hours. I don't know.
Kind of the mother of all Teletubbies. So this is actually the small version. There's also an orange as well. Wow. They're
Dang, son. Look at all them chickens. He's gonna buy. Except
Ooh, the pill.
you're gonna overdose on pills one day.
I'm telling you.
What? This is the very famous Apple Watch.
I mean, I have one already, but I don't use
John
it.
never uses it. Let's try turning this bad boy on.
Oh, the Nike Run
No
Club,
power.
yeah.
Huh. Let's see what better is.
Are these the new ones?
I think. I don't see internet. I see photos.
Here, give me.
Mickey Mouse. How do I log in? John kind of made a boom boom.
Go outside, guys. Outside.
Yeah, what? Yeah, what? Alright guys, we're in, we just left Lululemon. John's eating some ice cream. Very good, but yeah, we're probably gonna do a few more things before we leave Jacksonville. We still have to eat dinner. Guys, right now we're in Nuke's.
Goblins.
John, what'd you get?
Pepperoni pizza.
Oh, I got a salad, and I'll show you when the food gets. Got his pizza finally.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Yep. Alright guys, this is our new dog. His name's Charlie. It's a Maltese. Around like 13 weeks. Say hi to the camera. As you can see, he's actually moving now. He can possibly even jump. Yoink! Come on. Yoink. Okay, we're in a quieter place now. This is officially Charlie. Say hi. What you've all been waiting for. The dog vlog. Charlie! Okay. Well guys, hopefully you did enjoy this vlog. If you want to see a vlog where you just take care of them, then click the like or just comment below. But thanks for watching guys. It's been fun making this vlog. Sorry I wasn't uploading this much this week. I'll try to do more uploads this week. But yeah, thanks guys for watching. Bye.